There we go. So now that we're in the workspaces, there's a few things that we have to do in the setup area to get everything ready. So first thing we're going to do is go to administration. You'll notice that our community is not active yet. When you want to activate it, you're going to come back here and click this, but we are not going to do that yet. We still got setup to do. We're going to go to preferences. We're going to make sure we click the show all settings in workspaces button. And we're going to save that. And then we're going to go to emails. And because this is a demo and it's a UAT, it's a development org, I'm going to turn off the sending of welcome emails just in case there's any real data in here. Now, the reason that you do this is you may want to have a special community launch email that you do through Marketing Cloud or Pardot, or you may want to have a special template. But while we're doing development in the community, we don't want to accidentally launch it and have a whole bunch of people invited to the community. When it is time to launch and invite people, you will come back in here and turn this back on, tell it what template, and then when you activate the community, everybody who is a part of the profiles included will be able to come into the community. So let's just save that with that off. And last thing, let's go into members and make sure that we have the right users in our community. So these are all of the partner profiles that we have in the org. Remember, we have made the custom partner login user. Let's just add those and let's save that. And for good measure. All right, so it's saving that. Next, we're going to go back into our workspaces, and we're going to come to content management, and we're going to start handling our topics. So all of that work we did in setting up those categories, those data categories in the beginning, this is where those internal data categories start mapping to the Salesforce Experience Cloud. And the way that we do that is coming into content management, hitting topics, and coming to automatic topic assignment. So in automatic topic assignment, we're going to pick our partner, and we're going to say our FAQ. And in our FAQ, we're going to add a topic called FAQ. And we'll add all articles just in case, and we'll save that. So now we'll come to news. We'll do the same thing. Keep that checked. Save that. And marketing. Do the same thing and save that. So now what this does is every time a knowledge article is created internally and you give it a data category of either fact, news, or marketing, the ones that we've just mapped, what will happen is when you publish it, it will automatically be assigned to the topic that is given, so that when you get to the part where your end users are navigating, they'll be able to look at the topics and see all of the articles that are listed underneath a specific topic, while internally they're related to a data category. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to featured topics, and we're just going to do the same thing. Here's FAQ, add, marketing, add, news, add, and save. The last thing we want to do is go to navigational topics. So again, navigational topics, taking a second, sorry. So navigational topics are going to be FAQ, news, and marketing. And navigational topics allow us to take advantage of some standard Salesforce components that allow for a more visual display. And we'll see that in a minute.